Hello YouTubers, so as promised I wanted to show you the wreath that I made across Christmas. Now if you can see all these bits, each of these bits are clay. Okay, each element. The only thing that was bought was the lights and the wreath, but I'm going to have a go at doing those in the summer, and we'll go back to that and have a look. So I've done several wreaths now for family members, so I will. There's other flowers and that I've done that I'd like to show you. Okay, and basically we're going to go through how to make some nuts. We've got oak leaves, mistletoe, blackberries, cones, and there's some like ferny bits, ivy, hellebore, I think they're called hellebore roses, and some berries. And I think that's it on this one, but we have got, let me back it up so you can see it all. We have got lots of other bits to go on there. This one sits kind of like that, like so. It's absolutely beautiful, and every single aspect of that, other than the wreath, like I say, I've made in clay. Okay, so I'm quite lucky. I make the items and my mother puts a coat in, she dusts them all and that, because I don't, that's not really something that I'm sort of into. But she loves it, and she colours them all. So I make it in the coloured clay, so she's got the base colour, and then she comes along and colours them afterwards. But I will pick up some hints and tips and I will pass those on. So this one's got a light in, bear with me. If you can see that. It's very, very pretty, and when it's hung on your door at Christmas it looks absolutely stunning. You see that glistening, isn't that lovely? Okay, so the first thing we're probably going to do is have a look at some green bits on how to, I mean, I know that we've done a video on how to do the ivy, but I have come up with a new ingenuity way of doing the ivy that I like, that doubles it up so it gives it a little bit more thickness. And I will be doing, we're going to do some blackberries and whatnot. Now I will say I use Nicholas Lodge, Katie Sue Designs moulds quite a lot. I've got a mould for pretty much all of these bits, which has made life a lot easier, I have to say. Although it just gives me the basic shape, I then decide what I want to do with it thereafter, which way I want to bend it. I don't use any of his sort of details on that, but I do. I haven't got one for the ivy and all that sort of thing, but I do have one for like the hellebore. I haven't got one for the ruscus. I have for the oak and the nuts and all that sort of thing. And I will do a video on how to make round balls, because they're very difficult. And I know you'll laugh, but actually they're really quite difficult to make. Have a look on YouTube, check out Nicholas Lodge, because he's got some very, very fantastic moulds and some fantastic ideas, so they're worth looking at. And then we'll go from there and we'll start, because every one of mine are all different. Right, okay, so the first video, I'm not sure what we're going to do, but I will look at it and decide which one we're going to do first. But please do sort of have a look at Nicholas Lodge, Katie Sue Designs, and I will do a review on each mould as we use it. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of really exciting videos to come out soon, and then we're going to make this ready for Christmas this year, folks. Beautiful. So hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Bye.